This is Carl Stevens in Littleton, where you're about to see a world record being made. There has been no record ever set in the Guinness Book of World Records for most people blowing a whistle at the same time, but it's about to happen right here on the football field at Littleton Middle School.
Okay! Ready, quiet down, please. On your mark, get set, go!
All right, young man, what do you think of setting that record?
Woo!
You're happy.
Yeah.
What do you think of setting the record?
Awesome.
What?
Awesome.
Awesome?
Woo!
How about you? What do you think of setting the world record?
Excited.
You're excited. You don't seem that excited. Are you guys excited? I'll take that as a yes. How about you? What do you think of setting the Guinness Book of World Records for whistleblowing?
It's awesome.
Did you think when you woke up today that you'd be setting a world record?
No.
But here you are. You're a world record setter. This world is full of challenges. Some people climb mountains. Some people drive race cars. And some people blow whistles. From Littleton, Carl Stevens, WBZ News Radio, 1030.